Birthdays, the day that marks the anniversary of the day a person was born. It is usually celebrated with gifts, cake, and friends family. Celebrate, to do something special or enjoyable, often to mark a special occasion. Party, a social gathering of friends. And family for fun, usually involving games, food, and sometimes decorations. Cake, a sweet dessert made from flour, sugar, eggs, and other ingredients, often with frosting or decorations. Gifts, items given to someone without expecting payment in return. Usually given to celebrate special occasions like birthdays. Balloons, inflatable decorations made of rubber or latex that are filled with air or gas. And often used to decorate for parties. Presents, another word for gifts, items given to others as an expression of affection or gratitude. Candles, waxed sticks with a wick in the middle that can be lit to produce light. Often placed on cakes for special occasions like birthdays. Friends, people you enjoy spending time with, sharing activities and experiences. Family, a group of people who are related to each other, usually by blood, marriage, or adoption. Age, the number of years a person has lived since birth. Often represented by the number of candles on a birthday cake. Invitations, cards or messages that ask someone to come to a party or special event. Surprise, something unexpected that causes excitement or wonder. Excitement, a feeling of eager enthusiasm. And interest, often associated with happy events like birthdays. Joy, a feeling of great happiness. And delight, usually felt during special occasions like birthdays. Can you spot the target words in these sentences? 1. Birthdays are special days when we celebrate getting older. 2. We will celebrate her birthday with a big party. 3. Let's have a party to celebrate your birthday. 4. The cake at the party was delicious and sweet. 5. She received many gifts from her friends on her birthday. 6. Balloons add color and fun to any birthday party. 7. I hope you like the presents I got for your birthday. 8. The candles on the cake were lit for her to make a wish. 9. My friends came to my birthday party and had fun. 10. Family is important to invite to your birthday celebration. 11. Are you excited about turning a new age today? 12. He sent out invitations to all his friends for the party. 13. It was a nice surprise to see all my friends at my party. 14. The excitement on his face was clear when he saw the cake. 15. We sang happy birthday to show our joy for his special day.